What's going on, everybody? I'm trying out a new camera mount, so I figured I'd do a little test video using that. Got it mounted in a solid place, kind of like over my bench. This is going to give me an ability to film stuff as I'm working on it a little bit easier than the rig that I had. Although the rig I had was doing okay, it's just kind of cumbersome. But I thought it was kind of odd today. I'm going through stuff that I don't remember ordering. It's just, I don't know how to put it. It's like apparently I've ordered this stuff, didn't realize it. In a, I don't want to say in a for any given reason, but just ordered it on a whim and now got it, and it's kind of like Christmas because I don't remember. All RC related, obviously, and so first and foremost, I don't know what I ordered this for. Maybe it was for the holiday buggy or whatever, since I'm going to leave it brush. Hobby Wing 1060 came today, and for the life of me, I must have had some reason that I ordered this thing, but completely sealed, as you can see. Surprise to me, whatever. And then RS 540. Again, I'm not sure. I think the plan was to put this in the Scorpion and take the stock 540 out of the Scorpion and put it into the holiday buggy. I'm guessing so. And then I partially remember ordering these, but I kind of got ahead of myself. But set of wheels, anodized aluminum. Had a set of these before. They actually looked gold online, and when they got here, they look kind of. Let's see if we can get a look at them. Yeah, hang on. If these are the same ones that I ordered a couple of years ago, they look more orange than anything. Yeah, that's them. They look gold online, but right now they look kind of orange. But I'll find a use for them somewhere. They were like dirt cheap. I think that's what it was. If I find something on there that's kind of like dirt cheap, I'll order it. And then I'm like, what did I order it for? So I think it comes with getting a little age on you. But while I got you, I have been working on the holiday buggy again. What I decided to do, rather than do all of the kit decals, I went with just a handful of decals because I like yellow, but I don't like the yellow stripes that come in that kit. And so I kind of feel like less is more in a way. And so just a handful of decals there. And I painted Dude Man. I don't know if you can see him. Let me spin him around. But I screwed up on his shirt. He looks like he's wearing like a plastic shirt. But shirt's kind of glossy. It's going to be running past people at like 20 miles an hour. So I don't think anybody's going to be scoping his shirt out or judging him for what he's wearing. So, I'm just happy to have a driver in there. Just a handful of decals. And I did put the decals on the lights, and the lights are mounted solid. Only thing left to do is to put the 540 in it, receivers in the car, and steer servos in the car, and just go ahead and do the final wiring because I plan on taking. My wife's going to kill me. We're going out of town this weekend to the beach, and I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe more rigs to run in the sand down there since we're going to be there anyway. And I bought this mount to help get some run video finally. I've been putting a lot of videos out, and I've promised run video, but it is incredibly hard to do it by yourself. I know other guys do, but it's kind of tough to keep a camera trained on a rig while you're running it and pay attention to that rig at the same time, or at least it is for me. So that is the plan. Hopefully I'll get some this weekend. Definitely taking my sand scorcher down. I have run the sand scorcher in the yard since I got a battery for it finally. And the first thing it did within the first 30 feet was turned over, flipped completely over, and broke the exhaust header off of it, which ticked me off to no end. But I did put it back on. I've got it glued back on there, and it will probably come off this coming weekend. But if it does, I got another exhaust over here somewhere. If I need to, I'll just throw that exhaust, or I'll take the whole damn thing off and just order an aluminum one. Who knows? If it keeps breaking, that's exactly what's going to happen. Is I'm going to wind up putting an aluminum exhaust on it, and yeah, and I'll just bend it from here on instead of breaking it off. But like I said, test video, just trying this new mount out. It's pretty neat. It was fairly, I don't say cheap, but it's a nice piece, you know, and but it was relatively inexpensive off of the big A, and but yeah, I'm gonna try to streamline this thing a little bit more. I can start getting some run video. I'm looking at other options as far as that. Oh, real quick, yeah. 500 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough, man. I mean, I never dreamed 500. That may not be a lot in the grand scheme of things with other channels, but for this one here, it's a milestone for me. So, and I want to say thank you guys for doing that, for hanging around. I know I get a little long-winded sometimes, but hey, look, it is what it is. But I'm just happy to be sharing my genuine love of this hobby with other people, and I thank you guys for allowing me to share it with you and come into your home or whatever and show you what's going on in my little corner of the world / internet. So hey, look, I'm gonna get out of here. It's been a long day. You guys take real good care. It may be a week or so before I load up another video, but I'm hoping to get some really good footage down there in the sand with a lot of these rigs that are dying to be filmed. So you guys take good care of yourselves. Thanks again for the 500 subs. Once I get to a bigger number, I'm going to start doing some stuff. I want to do some giveaways. If I build a rig and start pumping them out, you know, and just kind of send them up the line, because my pure pleasure is just really building them. So anyway, things to come. You guys take real good care. Enjoy your week and your weekend coming, and we'll catch you on the next video real soon. See ya.